Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota RAV4 Multimedia system. To perform a soft reset, locate the volume knob on your system. Press and hold this knob for about 10 seconds until the system powers off and then restarts. This simple action often resolves many common issues quickly and efficiently, getting you back to enjoying your drive without interruption. You might consider resetting your system if you experience a frozen screen, unresponsiveness, or issues with audio playback. It's also a good first step for troubleshooting problems with Bluetooth connections or other minor software glitches. This quick fix can often save you a trip to the dealership, restoring full functionality to your multimedia experience. After performing the reset, you can expect your personal settings, such as radio presets and sound preferences, to remain intact. Your paired Bluetooth devices should still be connected, and navigation history or saved favorites are typically preserved. The system will simply restart, allowing you to resume using it as normal without losing your personalized data. If the issue persists after one reset, try repeating the process. For more complex problems, consult your vehicle's owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps or consider checking for available software updates. If all else fails, contacting a Toyota dealership for professional assistance is recommended. They can diagnose and resolve any underlying hardware or software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.